What up, what up, what up, y'all? Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you all the stocks I have purchased since March the 15th. I've invested about $370, and I actually have a profit of about $278. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. And please tell me what videos y'all want to hear. I mostly do how-to videos, how to set up dual monitor, set up third monitor, but I'm a beginner when it comes to stockholders, and I just want to give everybody my journey, or show everybody my journey as I buy these stocks, okay? I am not a financial advisor, but I just want to let everybody know how it works and how you can earn money from stocks. So because I had people to ask, how do you make money from stocks? So there's two ways to make money with stocks. You actually make money from share prices and dividends. So hypothetically, let's say you bought one stock from Carnival Cruise for $10, and when the share price of that stock goes up, that's how you make money. So if you bought that stock at a share price of $10, and then that share price goes to $20, one share, so you bought it for 10 and it goes to 20, you could sell it for $20 and make a $10 profit. So you want to make sure you sell your stock higher than the price that you bought it at, okay? So that's how you make money with share prices. When the market goes up, you make money and you take a profit, okay? Take your profit and get out the market, or you take your profit and invest in another stock. Some people actually just do this long term and do it as a portfolio for retirement or whatever. You know, they build a portfolio to 10 and hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars, and they live on it. For example, they use a company that they know is going to grow. Example, Amazon. Amazon started it started at one point, it was at $10, $20. Right now, Amazon is high. It's probably at, let's see where Amazon is at. So Amazon is at $2,366 a share, okay? When it came to Amazon stock, at one point it was at $10, okay? And at that time, you bought 10 stocks for $10, okay? So now you spend $100. Now today, that one stock is worth $2,366. So now you sell 10 of those stocks for $2,366. That's a hell of a profit for you only spend $100. Really? So that's how they do long-term investing. You make sure you keep your money in the market, keep your money in so you can build your retirement portfolio, build your portfolio so you can live off of it when you're older. Okay. All right. The second way you can make money is through dividends. When it comes to dividends, when a company is profitable, they like to pay you to hold their stocks. A lot of companies pay you every 3 months to hold their stocks. Okay. So they pay you to hold their stocks, and you just get money from holding their stocks and reinvest in it. They actually call it dividend yield. I put a screenshot of what it is and how they calculate it right here. All right. So that's how you make money, through share price from holding stocks, letting the price go up, and dividends. Companies pay you to hold their stocks when they're profitable. It's just as easy as that. Okay. All right. Let's get into my phone. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right, y'all. As you can see, I made $278.51 in profit. You can also see that I started March the 15th, 2020. I've invested $370 of my own money, and I did not invest it all on March 15th. I did it gradually. Y'all, I'm no financial advisor, but I'm going to tell y'all what stocks I purchased. All right. The first stock I'm going to go into, I'm just going to go down the list and I'm going to tell y'all what stocks I purchased. Okay. So the first stock I purchased is SPHD, which is an S&P 500 stock. I purchased this stock at $27.90. And right now it's at $32.53. If I sold it today, the difference between $27 and $32 would be my profit plus what I put in now, which is the $27. Okay. So I'm not going to go to all of them, but I am going to show you where the dividend is. So right here on this screen, you'll see 5.917 for dividends. That's what they pay yearly for 5.917% in dividends. Okay. All right. So the next stock I actually purchased is, I purchased 2 stocks in MRVL. I purchased 2 stocks in MRVL. As you can see, I have a dividend pending. I bought 2 shares. A total of $18 is my, right here where you say average cost. You want to make sure you sell the stock above that number. Right now the stock is at $25.95. So I'm at a gain. All right. This one does pay dividends, 0.93. All right. The next stock I purchased is actually 10 stocks in Resident. I bought 10 shares at $1.12, and now it's at $1.80 on those 10 shares. If I sell it, I make a profit. Then we have one AMRS was a free stock. Then I bought 6 stocks in, I don't know how to say this, but a cruise line. I bought 6 shares at the average cost of $10.23. Anything above $10.23, is at $12 right now, so I'm at a profit. This company, I can't tell if they pay dividend. It says NA. All right, the next stock we have is MVIS. I actually spent about 200 shares. I actually bought 200 shares of MVIS, which is a laser beam company. I purchased all 200 shares for 17 cents a piece. Anything above that is a profit. It's at 27 cents. I'm actually waiting on this stock get to $1. I have no idea about this company. This is probably the craziest move I made. I knew nothing about stocks, but I purchased 200 shares at 17 cents. I'm gonna wait till it get to $1. When it get to $1, I'm gonna sell it. So it'll be 200 shares for $200. I spent $34. I'll make $166 profit. Okay. Let's see, ACB. I purchased 10 shares of ACB at 71 cents. It's now at 71 cents. I'm breaking even. I'm gonna go faster, you guys. I bought 5 shares of CLDT at average cost of $4.65. It's at $7.14. I'm at a profit. I bought 10 shares of MRO at an average cost of $1.57. Anything above that, which is a Marathon Oil Company, at $1.57, it's at $4.24. I bought 10 shares of, let's see, I did MRO. I bought 1 share of GE. Again, I'm only skipping these because these were free stocks when you see me scrolling over them, okay? I bought 2 shares. I bought 2 shares of GE at an average cost of $6.59. It is now at $6.81. I bought 1 share of Disney. Scary move. So I spent about 1 share at $100, and above that is a profit. It's at $106.56. I bought let's see, I bought 1 share of G Pro at $2.66. Is at $2.78. I bought 1 share of Carnival Cruise at $11.87. It's at $12.41. I bought 2 shares of Crohn's at $5.66. It's at $5.97. And I bought 5 shares of, I missed one. I bought 10 shares of OGI at $1.72. This is a loss for me so far. I'm at $1.59. I will not sell it. I believe this stock is going to go up. It's the cannabis oil industry. And I bought 5 shares of Oasis. I bought 5 shares of Oasis at 26 cents. Is at 27 cents. Okay. So that is how you do it. So let me show you how to purchase a stock right quick. But let's go to Ford. So let's say you wanted to purchase Ford. You'll click trade. And when you click trade, you'll hit buy. And when you click on buy, up here at the top where it says market order, do not just put your shares in and number of shares you want and hit submit. Because what's going to happen is whatever the market is at the time it's executed, that's what the price will be. So if this $5.08 went to $6, you're going to actually buy those shares at $6. So what you want to do is hit the market order button and hit limit buy. When you click on limit buy, just go ahead and click continue. Set the limit price. It's just saying I want to purchase this stock at this price and no more. That's all this screen is saying, okay? Click continue, and now you want to tell them what you want to purchase it at. Go ahead and do it at the stock market, which is $5.08. You tell them I do not want to purchase it no more than $5.08. Then hit the green arrow. When you hit the green arrow, you can actually trade at extended hours, or you can trade during the market hours, 9:30 to 4, or you can trade between 9 and 6. I just hit extended hours just because. And then it says you can trade until that day, which is Monday. Monday is when we'll start back trading until 6 o'clock, or you can wait to July. Whenever it hits all the way up to July, that's when the stock will be purchased. I do July. All right. And then right here, you'll go ahead and say how many shares you want. Go ahead and put 2 shares. And at that time, you will be able to see $10.16. What's your total? And right here, you'll see your buying power. You see where I have 13 cents at? That's my buying power for Ford. I do not have enough money to buy it. So if you want to know if you have enough money to buy that stock, just look right here at the buying power. Go ahead and hit how many you can buy. If you have $5, bring it down to 1. If you want to do 10, you want to do most of my money, you'll see $50. Look at your buying power to tell. Once you'll hit check mark. When you at this screen right here, if I had enough money in it, all I would do is swipe up. Okay? And that's it. And that's how you purchase a stock. All right, y'all. Easy, silent hustle. That's the 14 stocks I purchased. And see y'all next time. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification down below. And until next time, we out. Peace.
Silent hustle. Yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy.